So now let's preview our website by heading up here to this preview button. It switches our view. We will see our ad banner here because we do have a free website, so we are stuck with viewing the Wix ad banner. But now, as I scroll across our menu bar here, you'll see that all of these are highlighting. And if we head into tutorials, it pulls up our page and we can go in and start viewing our videos straight from YouTube. If we head into the handbook here, it pulls up our page and we can download the handbook directly onto our desktop or mobile device. And here we go. So here's our test page so we can see what it looks like. So now that we're done in our preview area, how do we get back? Here's this back to editor green button here. And this brings us right back to our website. Now let's say that we're happy with how our website has turned out and we want to publish it. All of our changes that we've made to our website, we want them to go live so that everybody in the public can view what we've done. Now we've hit publish. A dialog box pops up to confirm that, hey, you've published your site. Hit done. And now if we go back to preview, our test page is on our website now. Back to editor. Now if we wanted to save all of our changes, all of our changes are automatically saved, but you can still hit the save button up here and a confirmation dialog box pops up to say that yes, you've now saved your changes. And that's it.